All right, so you're thinking about starting a virtual assistant business, but you're wondering, do I actually have the skills needed to be a successful VA? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. I'm Abbey Ashley, the founder of The Virtual Savvy, and here on my YouTube channel, I talk all about virtual assistants. We've trained over 6,000 VAs to launch, grow, and scale their businesses through our signature program and have a group of over 120,000 virtual assistants that we are coaching and encouraging every single day. So if you want in on the fun, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be notified every time I go live with new content. I've been training virtual assistants since 2016, and the number one question that we get asked is, do I have what it takes? Do I actually have the skills required to become a successful virtual assistant? When I actually sit down and talk to these individuals considering starting a VA business, the answer is always a resounding yes. There are likely skills that you already have that you don't even realize could be so useful to small business owners. So what we're gonna do in this video is we're going to show you a large list of skills. The cool thing is, as a virtual assistant, you get to choose the services that you're going to offer. If Pinterest management doesn't excite you, don't do it. If you don't want to learn Facebook ads, you never have to. And that's what's so great about virtual assistants, is that it really can take your unique skills and personality and you can craft it into the services that you're going to offer in your business. So how do you learn what your virtual assistant personality is? Well, we have a quiz for that. You can go to thevirtualsavvy.com/quiz. I recommend you actually go right now, take the quiz. It's really quick, but it's gonna help you discover your virtual assistant personality, which will actually help you throughout the rest of this video. So you are gonna wanna go and take the quiz real quick. I'll wait. Great, are you done? If you've taken the quiz, then you got one of 5 results. Either the creative, the expert, the helper, the organizer, or the visionary. Let's talk about each one of these individually. If you got the creative result, you are likely more artistic, or at least have a little bit more of a creative, artistic brain and have an eye for art. That may mean that you are drawn toward activities like creative writing or really have a visual eye for good branding. If that's the case, you may want to look into some of these virtual assistant services. Canva design, blog manager, copywriter, community manager, social media manager, content creator, Pinterest manager, YouTube manager, email manager, TikTok manager, graphic designer, photo editor, video editor, podcast editor, or possibly a branding expert. How many of you got the creative result? Let me know in the comments if that's you. Maybe you got the expert result. Now the expert has that engineer brain. They just want to figure it out, and normally they will lean toward being a little bit better at tech. If you got the expert result, then you are the kind of person that just wants to get into the computer, figure it out, and probably don't want anybody to bother you while you're doing that, let's be honest. Here are some of the services you can offer if you got the expert result. SEO expert, ads manager, video editor and producer, podcast audio editor, email marketing specialist, chief technology officer, digital marketing specialist, Google Analytics specialist, website manager, online course builder, ClickUp expert, website creation, funnel creation, systems specialist, or landing page developer. All right, shout out to all the experts out there. Let me know in the comments if that's you. If you got the helper result, you have a strong drive to help people. This makes you awesome at being the front lines individual for customer service. Some of the skills that you might offer as the helper include calendar management, inbox management, student support, chat support, live stream or webinar support, account management, personal task manager, customer support, client success specialist, Facebook group support, executive assistants, personal assistants, payment recovery, community management, and event coordination. Where are the helpers? Let me know in the comments. All right, we have 2 categories left. The next one is the organizer. If you are an organizer, you are likely that type A personality that's like, just let me make the system because I know my system will be better. It's okay, you can be honest about it. Your system probably is better. There are so many administrative tasks that you will be excellent at if this is your personality. Some of those include general assistant, travel research and booking, calendar management, appointment management, SOP or standard operating procedure creation, Google Drive organization, data entry, policy organization and upkeep, HR organization and upkeep, payments and invoicing, online business manager, a launch manager, director of operations, systems director, or HR director. I have to give a shout out. Who are our organizers? Let me know in the comments below if that's you. And then our last result, the visionary. If you are a visionary, you likely know it because you are a little all over the place. It's okay. It means that you just see opportunity everywhere. Every time you walk into a business, you think about, if I own this business, I would do XYZ differently. You see opportunity at every corner, and maybe you even own 100 domain names. I'm raising my hand right there. I'm definitely the visionary category. One of the things I want to note if you are a visionary is that virtual assistants likely is an awesome option for you. But just like most things that you pursue, you might start to lose steam really quickly if you don't see quick results. That's why I recommend, if you are a visionary, building a team as soon as possible. There's gonna be days where you don't wanna do the day-to-day work because you're off to the next idea. And in those cases, you still need to tend to your clients well, which is where having a team can be really, really useful. So let's go into the types of services that you may want to offer. I will note you could really offer any of these services that we listed. I am part visionary and part creative, which means that I really got into blog writing and social media services, but I quickly outsourced it to a team because my visionary brain just went on to the next thing. So other than just building an agency of general admin or any of these other categories, let's go into some of the other services that you might offer as a visionary. Leadership success, business mentor, online course curator, business audit specialist, strategic planner, strategy analyst, business development, lead generation, content strategist, product developer, agency owner, creative direction, production director, consultant, or business coach. I hope this video was insightful and showed you all the possibilities that you can do as a virtual assistant. As you can see, the types of virtual assistants and how you can niche down is so varied, and so it really should be built off of your unique personality. There is so much experience that you bring to the table, whether it's been in a volunteer role, whether it's been in a past work role, or maybe it's just your personality that you just naturally lean towards certain types of services and skills. I really want you to leave this video thinking, I could do this. Even if you don't know how to do all the things on the list that I provided for you, that's okay. Now you have an idea of the types of services that you could learn if you wanted to advance your virtual assistant skills. If advancing your virtual assistant skills is something you are interested in taking to the next level, I definitely would recommend you check out Savvy Vault. It is our step-by-step tech training library that's going to help you scale your business by learning higher level skills. I will link to that below. All right, thanks again for joining me today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Creative, expert, the helper, organizer, visionary.